lot of DJing for Party Hard Travel, and I was having a great time, and then something drastic happened. The Party Hard Travel showed me what it's all about, and what the Party Hard Travel environment is all about is low cost, fun, alcohol.
Who would say no to that?
Who would say no to that? Contact Party Hard Travel and they will sort it all out for you. Flights, accommodation, parties, events, the best DJs in the whole of the island in this scorching, beautiful sun. Sign up to Party Hard Travel 2020. I hope you'll be there because I will be.